One of the most important things a woman can do to her hair is her daily routine at home. What we do in the hair salon is great and it restores and repairs the hair, but what you do at home can make or break your hair. If you're using products in it that over dry your hair, that could damage your hair long term. What we're doing right now is we're washing with our Nuuvo Nourishing Shampoo. This Nuuvo Nourishing Shampoo has keratin and botanical oils to protect and rebuild and rehydrate the hair that you have. The lather is a super subtle champagne bubbles, as I like to call them. They're not going to be extremely rich and lathery because we use a sulfate-free formula. That's really important. You want a gentle, gentle, gentle shampoo. Any type of harsh detergents can also strip away your very helpful natural oils in your hair. So we love a really gentle formula. Our formula is so gentle, you can use it on color, you can use it on chemically treated hair, you could even use it on extensions. So great formula, rich in nutrients, and definitely one that you want to have in your back pocket all the time. One of my favorite products is our healing conditioner. I love it because it's lightweight. You have fullness. You don't want to weigh it down with a heavy conditioner, but you want all those rich ingredients to still give you the vitality and the lipids and all the wonderful nutrients that conditioners have. So that's why we created healing conditioner. It's rich in all those nutrients. It's got the botanical oils in there. It's got marigold oil for UV protection, but yet it's still nice and lightweight. The way I would apply it for best results is just put 1 to 2 quarters in your hand and then work it through the ends nice and gently. You can move up to the root if you'd like to, or you can avoid them altogether for even more volume. Leave it in for about 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you leave a conditioner in your hair, the better it's working for you. And that moisture is really, really important because our hair gets super hydrated. After leaving it on for about 5 to 10 minutes, rinse it with lukewarm water. Try not to go too hot. Hot water does make your hair a little drier. And then you're ready for your styling products.